Hey, welcome to the Easy Art Fun Show. Today we are going to be drawing a Easter basket. That's right, full of eggs. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. Today in the show we are drawing an Easter basket full of eggs. So let's get started. First of all, what I want you to do is go ahead and draw a straight line from here to there. That'll be the top of your basket. And now we're going to draw a rectangle using that same line. So I'm going to bring my edges down just like this. And then we're going to go ahead and connect that line. There we go. That'll be the little edge on our basket. Now for our Easter basket, I would like to have the lines come down on an angle, but if you want your lines to come down straight, that's up to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of put a little dot down here and a little dot down here. You don't have to use that, but sometimes I like to do that for reference. And I'll bring my line straight down like this. And then I'll bring another line straight down like that. And now I'm going to go ahead and connect these two lines. And if you want to, you can kind of put a little curve in there, just a slight curve, just like that. So there's our basket right here. And of course, with a basket, you got to have a handle so you can carry all your delicious chocolate eggs for Easter. So this will be kind of a big half of an oval, right? Just like that. So there's our basic design of our basket. And now I'm going to make some patterns right here. I'm just going to draw some lines that are going up and down and also going horizontal, all right? So right now I'm drawing lines that are going vertical, just like that, kind of evenly spaced, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to color inside of those lines later on. And now I'm going to make some lines going horizontal, just straight across, evenly spaced, just like that. And so when I start coloring, I'll be able to put different colors in here. On the side here, whatever design you would like to make on the edge, I'm going to make just a flower, basic shape of a flower, just like that. If you want to put carrots, you can. Little bunny heads, stars, whatever makes you happy. This will be your happy Easter basket. This is just fun to draw. I find drawing to be so relaxing, don't you? Let your mind just float away to the world that you're creating. And I'm just going to put a little dot in the middle of those flowers. This is kind of called eye candy. It's just adding a little fun to your picture there. And now is the favorite part. We get to put some eggs. So I'm going to draw kind of like a half of an oval right here. And maybe another half of an oval over here. And another half of an oval right there. But I want to add some more eggs in there. So then I'm going to add another half of an oval coming over on the side here and coming down. Another one connected here. So it gives the illusion that there's some eggs behind there. Okay, so it's nice and filled up, full of Easter eggs. And then you go ahead and add some patterns to these eggs. You can add some curved lines like this. You can add straight lines going either vertical or horizontal. You can add some little circles like that. Whatever you want to do. Kind of trade off a little bit. Just putting some nice little designs. Maybe a little star here. Whatever you like. Maybe you can even add some little lines that go in different directions. Just have fun. So there is your easy, cheesy Easter basket full of eggs, and you can see what it would look like colored. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. I hope you had an enjoyable time watching our art show. We have a lot of other videos on drawing and art, and of course we have a great educational channel on our show here. So I hope you have a fantastic day. I gotta get better at catching these markers, and we'll talk to you later. Adios. Bye-bye.